JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
We're gonna be unboxing this I Am Beauty PR box. Every month they send me a box, which I'm pretty sure y'all have seen before me doing one of these boxes. And if y'all want to get one for free, also all you have to do is just sign up on their website, apply to be a Beautizen, and you can get you a box as I did. So every month they do something different. I know that it's them and Red by Kisses, so I got a lot of their products and other products that they collab with too. So we're gonna get into all that we have in here. As y'all can see, I have quite a few items, so never empty-handed, and they always give me everything I want. So first, we got the matte shades. These are really cute. So let's, I think I put these in. Yep, I sure did. So these are the sunglasses. I really do like these. They got a nice touch and it's black, so you can't go wrong with that. And they do look nice. So that was one of them. The matte shade, so I really do love this. See, yeah. Because I put it in wrong. I was supposed to open it like this. So these are the matte shades. And then I got some lash goggles, literally. So open these up so y'all can see. And these lash goggles is you're supposed to wear them in the shower or avoid getting your eyelashes wet. They're waterproof for shower use, anti-fog technology, and this is for lash users only, okay? You don't use lashes, you don't need them. So all you have to do is just literally put them on while you're in the shower or somewhere wet, or you just want to block them, you know, anything from your eyelashes. You can definitely put those on. Those are elastable. And then of course, these eyelashes are completely different. These are the Crystal Glow Brazilian Cut exclusive lashes. And these give a crystal glow. So indoors, you're not gonna see the glow effect or the shimmering look until you are in direct light. So it gives you that diamond Rihanna look eyelash. Then I got audio eyebrow pencil. Okay, this makes sense why it says audio. So I believe this is, oh, this is black. So this is black, guys. I thought this was gonna be brown, but it gave me black. So, and this is for your eyebrows, literally. Waterproof mascara. See if I can open this. And this is waterproof, guys. So all you have to do is put on your eyelashes and you're good to go. And this is supposed to be long in volume, and it says waterproof, so a goodie. And we got, this is Kiss New York, and this is kind of like Red by Kisses, because Red by Kisses is normally just hair and stuff like that. Whenever we get more into the box, I'll show you, but they gave me this Professional New York, and it is a camera, y'all, so I really do like that. This mini camera, I'm gonna put it back in here because I don't want it getting broken. So I will always keep it in this case as I do with these sunglasses, because I really do like the case, and if I'm not wearing it or I need to put it up, I can just put it back in the case. So next, I got these, literally these leopard print eyelash extensions. So this is, I believe, the dark brown. This is the dark brown, but it's more brown compared to the black brown. The black brown is like black at the top, brown in the middle, and then it fades off a little bit more to the black compared to this one, because this is a dark brown. So this is nothing but brown. And it literally tells y'all the instructions, how to apply and everything. Oh, about to apply. So as y'all see me in my last video, because the last one that I got, it was nothing but eyelashes. So I'm glad I got a variety of different ones. I still got eyelashes, of course, these eyelash clusters. So this is a new one. This is a little bit heavier. These are the cluster palette, and this comes to 10, to 12, to 14, all the way to 15. So 10 to 15. So you can definitely do a natural, light, or deep wispy volume. So, and I think with this one, I don't know if it comes with the glue and it comes with the seal. So, and it comes with this clip on to the applicator, so you can put it on. So that is a plus. And this is where I was telling y'all that the Red by Kiss, it literally says it on there because they do hair products and they collab with iMovie Beauty. So, and these are their hair products, hair oils. Let me see. This one, this says coconut, so this is the coconut flavor, and this says a little bit oil. So they have different ones. This smooths and revitalize, and this is a shine and nourish. So two different effects, but there are hair oils. Okay. And of course, we got our lip balms. We got our lip therapy, hydro for the lips. And then we got this coffee lip balm. And y'all, just so y'all know that it is brown. So we're definitely gonna be trying some lip combos here on TikTok, and I will post this on YouTube as well. So make sure y'all follow me on the other platforms, because YouTube is more for a longer video, but the short videos, I definitely get real creative. So, and then this is the CBD oil. Yep, cannabis sativa seed oil. So gives you that calming effect on your lips. And this is hydrating as this one. So these two are the same effects but different. And then this is their berry, and this one was kind of like a dark pink. No, this is red, not pink, my bad. It's a dark pink red, and you just literally put those on your lips, and it's hydrating too. I'm glad that it doesn't leave like a different color, but it smells nice. So I can't wait to try my lip combos, honestly. And I've been wanting some of this, so everything that they got me, I literally been asking for. So I'll see my previous video, the ones who came from TikTok. Make sure y'all add y'all username, and the people that are watching, if y'all haven't seen my video on TikTok, make sure y'all follow me on all socials, because I give y'all tips, hints, and tricks on how to get free stuff. So if y'all ready to get free stuff by this summer, just follow me, and I'm always posting, so y'all don't want to miss out, because there's a lot of giveaways coming up. One more thing, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and follow me on all my other social medias. I really do appreciate it, and I hope y'all like the video.